guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to film this video. This is a video. This video is sponsored by Hergivenhair, and this is the hair I used in one of my videos before. I'm going to put the link up here, somewhere here. And today I use the same hair to make these two cornrows. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. So this is the hair I'm working with. Like I mentioned before, this hair is from Hergivenhair. It's their Kinky blowout clip-in hair, and it came in 2 bundles. I'm going to put the link under in the description box for you to see. If you are interested in ordering this hair, you can follow the link and order it. Sometimes you could get some percentage off. It depends on what they're having. So it has clips and the texture is like blowout. So starting with my own hair, my hair is freshly washed, and I'm trying to detangle with my fingers, and I applied some leave-in conditioner, the Contour one, and after that I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I try so much to do this in section. I separated my hair in 2, and I'm starting with the first part, and after that I try to see if I've stretched it enough to match the quality of the weave I'm using. So yeah, continue doing that, and I pick the hair to see how it will match. I know my hair is darker than this extension, but if you want to color yours black like 1B, you can go ahead and color it. It takes colors very well. So now I've finished blow drying my hair. I'm going to go ahead and also make sure I do my separation in the middle, like from the front to the back, making sure that I'm doing the right section, So yeah, this is what I'll be doing. I just separate it into 2, and I'm going to put the part I'm not working it aside. So after I put that aside, I'm going to get the clips in. I have separated them, like there are 2 bundles. I make sure that I have one bundle each for one side of the cornrow, like this. I have one bundle here and the other bundle here. So now I'm starting from this part. I'm going to put the smallest clip in. This was in 3 before I cut it into it has 3 clips in before, but I cut it to have 1 clip in to start from the beginning. So I'm going ahead with the 3 clips, and after that I go with the 4, and I think I repeat like the 3 and the 4. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So I'll let you to watch how I'm going to do this and come back and talk to you later. Okay, so now that I've finished adding the hair, I'm going to use my hot comb to further stretch my hair to really blend in well. Then after I've done that, I can see that the clip in the front is trying to lift. So I'll go ahead and clip it down very well, and that settles it. So I'm going to use this hair jam, this extra hold jam, and I'm going to apply on the edges of my hair and in the middle part. This will further slick the hair down and keep all the flyaways together, so that when I'm braiding, everything will work out fine and going on together. So now I'm braiding from the crown of my head, and I'm going towards the back like I'm showing. This is easy. I didn't add any other extension apart from the clips in. So I'll pick my hair and I braid, and I continue to braid until I get to the back. So let me let you watch this and see how I'm doing. So when I get to the end of the braid, I don't braid the whole hair. I just stop at the nape of my neck, and I use a rubber is it a rubber band? I use all those tiny rubber bands to, you know, hold the hair together. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the second side of my hair. And guys, if you're watching me for the very first time and you're not subscribed to my channel, try and subscribe to my channel, you know. And if you're watching me for the very first time, this is not my voice. I kind of have cough and I have cold, so my voice is a little bit cracked. Yeah, so that is it. So yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends, and just share so I can reach other people. And if you are doubting the quality of this hair, it is amazing. Just take it that it's amazing. I've had all the hairs from Hergivenhair for over 2 to 3 years now, and I still have all of them intact, like I said in my first video. And so if there's any question you have for me about this hair, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section, and yeah, I'll come back to you and talk to you later.
For you, all the days of my life, just wanna make you my wife. Baby, follow me, go, oh, oh, oh. Follow me, go, oh, oh. Stay with me, just stay with me, girl. Take you to see my mama, I take you to see my papa, I take you to see my brother, I take you to see my sister. See, mama.
Okay, this is how far we have come, and so I'm going to use the remaining hair to go around to make the hair I left at the back look bigger. So I'm going to clip in the first part and I roll it over and I clip in at the end of it. This will further make the hair looks more bulky, which I like. So after I've done this, I'm going to, you know, add another one again. Here I'll repeat the same thing on both sides. So like you can see my baby hair, I'm using Eco Styler gel, and if they have to just keep this part for me, honestly it will be the best thing ever. Like, how do you even do baby hairs on natural hair? Like, it was just, I don't know what to say. Like, I tried to use what was I using first? I was trying to use what's the name again, the jam. The first part, it didn't just leak, so I went ahead, I used the Eco Styler now, and it's looking nice. But let me tell you guys, after some hours it's going to flip back. Like, I don't even have time for these baby hair things. Like, if they have to cancel it, they have to cancel baby hair because of me. Like, cancel it, no baby hair, we don't want baby hair, cancel it. like kilo day. So yeah, I managed to pull this, and this is the final look, guys. So if you love this hairstyle, don't forget to like I mentioned before. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Bye, till next one.